All right, everyone, I'm gonna work on Eureka Math, Grade 5, Module 4, Lesson 22. Our objective is to compare the size of the product to the size of the factors. Now, for this lesson, I'm gonna work on the concept development problems. There's a few problems we'll be working step by step. Okay, problem number 1, part A. 4 out of 4 times 12 inches. Now, if you notice with the 4 out of 4, that's a whole. That's a whole number right there. So 4 times 12, 4 times 12 is 48. 4 times 1 is 4, 48 out of 4. If you divide 48 by 4, you get 12 inches. And that's because, again, 4 out of 4 equals 1. B, you have 3/4 times 12. This time, the 3/4 is less than 1. So 3 times 12, 4 times 1, no denominator, remember. So when there's no denominator, you add a 1 to represent a whole. So 3 times 12 is 36, 4 times 1 is 4. So 36 divided by 4 is 9, 9 times 4 is 36. And again, 3/4 is less than 1. Problem C, 5/4 times 12. This time the 5/4 is greater than 1. So 5 times 12, 4 times the 1. 5 times 12 is 60. 4 times 1 is 4. 60 divided by 4. 4 goes into 6 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. 6 away 4 is 2. Bring down the 0. Now you got 20. 20 goes into 4 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. So it equals 15 inches because 5/4 is greater than 1. Sorry, guys. Problem number 2. 4 out of 4 times 1/3. Again, 4/4 is equal to 1. 4 times 1, 4 times 3. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 3. So 4/3. And if we simplify that, it's 1 1/3. Okay. So 3/4 times 1/3. Well, this is problem number 2, by the way. 3/4 is less than 1 this time. So 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. You get 3/12. And if I simplify that, I'm going to divide both the denominator and numerator by 3. So 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. 12 divided by 3 gives me 4. Problem C, 5/4 times 1/3. This time 5/4 is greater than 1. So 5 times 1, 4 times 3. So we get 5/12. Problem number 3. Problem A, half times 5 out of 5. And 5 out of 5 this time is equal to a whole. So 1 times 5, 2 times 5. We end up with 5/10. But if you simplify, you divide both the denominator and numerator by 5. So 5 divided by 5 one time, 10 divides by 5, 2. So that's a half. Problem B, half times 3/5, and the 3/5 is less than 1. 1 times 3, 2 times 5. 1 times 3 was 3, 2 times 5 is 10. Problem C, half times 9/5. And if you notice, 9/5 is greater than 1. 1 times 9, 2 times 5. So that's 9/10, almost a whole. Problem number 4. This is a word problem. At the book fair, Wald spends all his money on new books. Pamela spends 2/3 as much as Wald. Ali spends 4/3 as much as Wald. Who spent the most? Who spent the least? Now, what we know right now, Wald spends all his money on books. So the whole thing, whole amount. Pamela spends 2/3 as much as Wald. And Ali spends 4/3 as much as Wald. So 2/3, less than 1. Wald, everything. So that's a whole. That's 1. And Ali spends 4/3. So that's more than 1. Questions? Who spent the most? Who spent the least? So create a tape diagram And each unit will be in thirds because of Pamela. We got the 3 there. Adley, we got the 3. And obviously, Vald would be 3 threes for the whole thing. So when I did my tape diagram, I cut it into 3 units. 1, 2, 3. So he spent this whole amount. Pamela spent 2/3. And Ali spent 4/3. 1, 2, 3 plus the 1, so 4/3. So Ali spent the most money, or Eli, you could kind of say too. Pamela spent the least amount of money because she only spent 2/3. So Eli spent 4/3, which is greater than 1. Pamela spent 2/3, which is less than 1. And I took it a step further and I said Vald spent all or 3/3 of his money. 3/3 equals to 1. So that will conclude our lesson for today. Please take notes and I'll talk to you later.